Hey guys, so unboxing of I'm a terrible Christmas shopper because I end up finding stuff for myself on Black Friday. Anyways, so I got this Ninja food processor. We have, I think ours is like a KitchenAid, I can't remember, but we have like a super old school food processor, and I have to like take a butter knife to hold it down because it doesn't work anymore just to go on its own, and it's a mess, and I've been putting off buying this. But I did a whole bunch, I don't know, maybe like 6 months ago, I did a whole bunch of like research, and the Ninja's been sitting in our cart for a while because I told Brian I think that I was gonna go with this. I super love my blender that I got from them. It does great, and so this had really good reviews. Price point was good, all of that. We got ours from Best Buy on sale. At least it was a couple days ago when we ordered it, and they're actually usually pretty good, I think, about running them.
And we do have the Total Tech thing, so it gets us a little bit more of a warranty, just because we're BBers and that's how we roll.
So tells you here you can do like 2 pounds of dough. You can do up to nine cups. This is actually going to be really awesome for canning because I have to do applesauce in here, and it's like tedious with my old one because you can only do so much. 9 cups is great for, that's quite a bit of stuff that you can do, and it shows you all the stuff you can do: chopping, slicing, shredding, you know, dough, and all of that. I usually use my mixer for dough and stuff like that, so ours will be more for like the shredding and the chopping. And perfect timing because this weekend is Christmas baking for us, and I will be using it for cookies and stuff. Anyways, here's the top, just to let you see what it looks like when you're opening it. And now we're gonna get into it. So all of the directions, quick assembly, all of that kind of good stuff. And then this first shelf here has the lid. Quite similar to the old one that we have. It'll probably just click on. So it comes out, all of that. That piece is there. Alright, here is the bowl. It's a decent size, so it'll be nice. And inside the bowl is, okay, inside the bowl, I'm trying to drop stuff, is the slicer. And this is kind of nice because my old one, which I should get out, you guys will say that I'm pitiful, and I will in 1 second, only has 2 blades. So this is awesome because not only does it have 4, then it also goes sort of in a diagonal up, so you've got sort of that chopping as it's going around happening in all different directions. So what would happen with the old one is I'd get a really good first chop, I'd have to shut it off, I'd have to pulse it sometimes to really get the stuff mixed up to chop again. And here's another one. Now these are plastic.
Probably for kneading.
This is
like dough.
No, this is gonna be for the dough. Yeah, so you're right, for the kneading. I thought you said meat.
I did say kneading. Yeah, I meant kneading.
Yeah, so this is more for like the dough.
Nice little ABS type plastic. Don't know if it's ABS, but
and then
I might have to get her to make me some steakhouse bread just to beat it up a little bit and see if they break.
Here is your slicing disc, which I use all of the time, especially for pickles, for canning. So you've got your, this is super sharp, but your slicer there, and then you've got these for shredding. Great.
Is that stuff, that's probably dishwasher safe, I would assume, right? When we got this, you were researching this sucker, all those parts should be able to go in the dishwasher.
Yeah, I do dishwasher on all of my other one.
Yeah, I would think so.
So I'm guessing everything is dishwasher safe.
Yeah, I'd have to look. It's not like it would matter, but the teeth on the shredder looks almost like the teeth on the actual blender. I wonder if I could like swap parts out. I wonder if it's just weird.
I'm just looking really quick to see if there's like a quick thing that says it for like cleaning. This is cool because it's like dough making 101. So pizza, bread, cookies, biscuits, pie.
Nice.
That's all kinds of.
I think you should go down the list and
stuff.
check them all out for us because
should I?
I like working on my shape, rounds of shape.
Anyways, I'm sure it's in here somewhere, like cleaning. It goes through everything, like slicing, shredding, here, care and maintenance, dishwasher. All attachments are dishwasher safe. It is recommended that the bowl, lid, disc, and blade assemblies be placed only on the top rack. Kind of figure as much.
Heating elements.
So same with the other one. All right, I am going to. Okay, I've got the unit.
Want me to hold the box? Or you good?
No, I should be good. And then I'll get the old one out. Okay, so here you go. So this is similar, like this base is similar to what their blenders are like, just less buttons. And then it gives you your different options. So I'm sure you press it on, chop, and we'll stitch it together, but we'll use it for the first time too and show you how it all works out. But you've got your chop, your puree, dough, and disc. And then different settings. And this, some backwards here. There we go. So that clips in there. Then you've got your lid. And if you notice here, I'll take it off again. If you notice, there's like this, so you want this piece to go in here. And this is a super snug fit, which is actually really great. So you put that in and turn, and you heard that little click, it locked in here. And then there you go. So, and it gives you this big notice. Make sure that it's correctly installed. So, now, okay, that's what it is. So you push this button, that will release, and then you can move. Like I said, this makes it sort of a tug fit, which is nice. Let me show you my pitiful other one. Oh, it's a Cuisinart, not KitchenAid, okay.
But we've had a lot of miles on this girl.
We've had this one for probably 15 years. It's been a very long time, probably longer than that. We've had it for a very, very long time. But a piece broke off here, and so I can still get it to work, but I have to put like a knife in here, in the middle here, when it's all together to get it to work. And it's like, this is really silly. So here's what I mean by it's only 2 blades. So you can see the difference already, that this is really gonna be awesome when you're chopping up more. And then you can obviously see too the size difference in the bowls. I mean, that's going to be a huge difference of how much you can have in there. And the Cuisinart never really said how much this would hold. So
if it did, we don't remember because again, it's freaking old.
But I'll get the bottom so you can see that too. So here's what the base looked like.
Dun, dun, dun.
Very, very just.
Rudiment.
As you can see, I just keep it on because even when I have all this on here the right way, it won't turn on because I have a broken piece that doesn't lock it in place and tell it that it can go. So of course I probably could have tried to find the lid to the Cuisinart 1 year or something like that, but I was like, you know what, I can still make it work in some days. So this only has 3 options, on, off, and pulse. I mean, you ain't doing much. And this one did also come with
disc.
This piece here, a disc, 2 different ones that sit in there. So here's how this one is a little bit different. That's what this piece is for. You would put this in here and then it holds this.
Oh, okay.
Like that. Where this one, let me see if I can grab it easily.
Nah, we'll have it out.
I got it.
Okay.
Okay, no, I lied. I don't have it. Anyways, that one, it has a, oh yeah, here it is. Okay.
Oh yeah,
This old one automatically came with like the mechanism, so it just would slide in here. Well, I gotta have it on here first for this to stop, and then you would have to line up this piece to go in here, where this is a little bit different because it's
multiple steps.
Yeah.
Well, it'd be easier to keep that one clean, the new one versus the old one, because that part's attached where that separates, so we can get in there.
Yeah. So that's just the differences between the two. A good example of how technology comes. I don't know what Cuisinart looks like now, as far as having
a newer version
or anything like that, but don't want you to look at my mess.
Just normal people with a normal house with 5 kids.
So anyways, you see the difference in technology. I mean, we all say, right, technology advances crazy amount. other thing here, I'm gonna flip this. So this is got, it's gonna have suctions. The blenders do too, so it suctions to this. Great, unless you're just trying to move it out of your pantry to get to something and it won't come off the granite, then you get frustrated. And then also, then you can wrap the cord around, and it's got the 2 pieces where you would like stick it in there and it all stays. Also kind of cool because this lovely thing here just,
You wrap it around, pops off, gets tangled in the bread maker, all the above, and you're dodging stuff as if pulling it out of the cupboard.
just the small things, you know. Anyway, so I'm super excited to use it. Like I said, I'm gonna use it this weekend because we're gonna do some baking cookie balls. I'm sure the kids are going to mow. Ben's already fist bumping the cookie balls here. So, so we'll show those getting chopped up or however. I really need to go through the instructions. It will work a lot like this, but I need to know, I want to look through and see if they're specific, you know, is chopping. Well, anyways, I need to look through it and just go through all the different things. But I'm super excited. They give you a recipe book, 20 recipes in here. So that's kind of nice. Breakfast and whatever, butter. Make your own butter. So they have that, and then here is just your book to show you everything to do.
BN 600 series Ninja Professional Food Processor with Auto IQ. Uh-oh, more robots.
Warnings, don't put ice in it and crush it, and then of course those papers. So that's it. That's our Ninja. When we use it, we will stitch that in so you can see unboxing and you can see it in use. And if you're in the market for a food processor and I use it this weekend and decide that it's my new favorite toy, this should be the one that you buy.
Thanks, guys.
See you later.
Later. What you doing here, boss?
Chop some peanuts. And chop.
Compared to the old one.
It is. Should be good. I'm just looking for sort of a rough chop to them.
Cool.
Chicken George.
I might eat that.
18.
He named the freaking chicken George.
20.
Can you tell any of our chickens apart? So now everybody has George. They're all girls. Exactly.
But Charlotte doesn't like that, so we give Charlotte right? Oh.
Yes.
4,
More of it.
526,
Exactly.
28.
I don't think it's so thick. So you gotta grind them a little bit.
It's smaller one.
More water?
Hi, boss. What are we
So
doing?
you hit the on,
On the
hit
left.
the on, and then hit chop.
Would that possibly go with this? Like
How many do you have in there?
20.
No, you have more than 20.
30 in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so put the other 6 in there.
He's Santa Claus with his bag of toys.
I guess it's yellow. It usually isn't, so I don't know what you did wrong.
4, 6.
Alright, now chop it until it's like a fine crumble.
Alright.
When it stops, do it again. Now you can let's see what Honey does.